That pizza you just ate, it's about to go on an absolutely epic 24-hour journey inside your body. Let's follow it from the very first bite all the way to, well.
Okay, so you took that first bite. The clock is officially ticking. What's happening in your body right now? Believe it or not, the second that pizza hits your mouth, digestion kicks off. Your own spit, yep, your saliva, has enzymes that start attacking the crust immediately. The journey has begun. Fast forward 1 hour. That slice has landed in your stomach. And your stomach, it's basically a blender full of powerful acid. No joke. It's just churning and churning that pizza into total mush. So the pizza is completely unrecognizable, but that was just the warm-up. Now, the real work starts. For the next couple of hours, that pizza mush is cruising through your small intestine. This is where the magic happens. Your body starts pulling out all the good stuff, turning those carbs from the crust and sauce into pure sugar for a quick energy hit. And boom, all that sugar hits your bloodstream at once. You know that feeling, right? That's the classic sugar rush. You feel totally energized, super focused. You're on top of the world. But what goes up must come down. Your body scrambles to handle all that sugar, and then the crash. Suddenly, you feel tired, sluggish, and all you want to do is take a nap. Sound familiar? But hold on, the journey isn't over yet. In fact, this is where things get a little weird. Whatever's left of that pizza heads to your large intestine. And down there, trillions of tiny bacteria are waiting for a party. They start feasting on the leftovers, which produces gas. And yep, that's why you start to feel bloated. So let's run that back real quick. 0 minutes, it's in your mouth. 1 hour, it's mush in your stomach. 4 hours, you crash. 12 hours, the bacteria party starts. And by 24 hours, the journey's over.
So what's the big deal with that bacteria feast? Well, it actually changes you. That collection of bacteria in your gut biome, is like a whole ecosystem. And that one slice of pizza just fed some of them, while others died off. Think about that. One slice, a 24-hour journey. And in the end, your internal ecosystem has been reshaped. It's kind of crazy how much one single meal can do, right? And if you thought that was fascinating, you have no idea what we're breaking down next. Look, if you want to get smarter, faster, you know exactly what to do. Smash that subscribe button. Seriously, do it now. Like this explainer, share it with a pizza lover, and we'll see you in the next one.